This year I made a little oops with my pole beans. Usually just plant one row of pole beans, but since we were growing for more than one family this year, I planted two. I planted them right next to each other, and when I put the seeds in, it looked like they had plenty of space to grow. It wasn't until they started growing that I realized I had made a mistake. I'll show you here. Okay, these are my 2 rows of pole beans. When I planted the seeds, there was lots of space in the walkway here, and now there's not. So now I'm not going to be able to get in there to pick the pole beans. I'll probably just pick the ones on the outside, and the beans that grow between the 2 rows I will leave for seed. So I'm not going to get the best production that way, but I did want to save some of these for seed anyway, so it won't be the end of the world. So I'm going to make a mental note of this to remember for next year. Usually my pole beans don't even get this big. Actually, last year they froze in the middle of June and we didn't even get any pole beans. We just got some bush beans. But they have been really happy this year. I think this black landscape fabric has contributed. It's cut down on the weed competition, and it helped warm up the soil and get the plants started earlier.